So I should have probably moved it back more, huh? Let me do that for you so you can get a good feel of what I'm talking about. You know what's crazy about TradingView? These little things, when you draw on the charts, if you don't ever delete them, they'll stay there. It's to me that's kind of annoying. You would think when like a chart refreshes, it would go away. But if I was to go click on another stock and look at some other stuff and come back to this, it would still be there. Even years from now, it'll still be there. It's weird. But anyways, let's look at the replay before the double bottom. I believe the halt was at what time was on this halt? 8:05. Let's do 8 o'clock. Let's do like right here so you can kind of see it in real time. That's what I want. I want you guys to kind of get a glimpse of it real time, update every second, because I'm at the 1 minute chart. And once I'm entering a position, I'm looking at it, pretty much every second, but I'm zooming out to see the bigger picture all the time. You know, we're getting alerted again. It's 8:05, but it was halted. It's halted. So, unhalted at 8:12, which was like right here, and it began to sink, which is what I expected. Let it sink. Why? Because, sell indicators, bottom of the moving average convergence divergence, low on the relative strength index, perfectly fine. Okay, it sank. I know this is like the tipping point of the moving average convergence divergence when it turns over red. So I know that's the level of support. It tried to break, but it did. Another level of support. Pretty simple. Oh, it just broke another high. Get me in. Boom, I get in. For me, my measurement of risk to reward is based on, the dollar amount. So I'm looking like, okay, I'm going to make sure this thing doesn't break VWAP because that's going to be a bear sign at that point. Held its strength, held its strength. I'm in this thing. I'm letting it ride. I'm letting it ride. Might want to take some money off the top. Good thing about this is that I'm still green and it's showing red. That's a good sign for me to, let it ride. Now it begins to drop a little bit. Am I worried? No, because I know it's supposed to do that. As long as it doesn't crack, the VWAP, I'm okay with letting it ride. So it's starting to thin up. It's starting to thin up. We're still in the average of the, relative strength index. Everyone in the chats are talking about it. It's obviously catching the eye. This thing is up 100 something percent. Oh, and it keeps running and it keeps running. Momentum is building. So you see, at this point, you know, I'm in this thing and I'm up what a lot. It's $14. I'm up. I think I got out at like 14. I can't remember. I got out at like 14, something like that. But anyways, it was like right around here where I got out, and I was already up like $2,500. I said that's enough. It's the first day green of a red history. No point in staying in this thing too long. And obviously, it's a good thing I did because this was kind of like a breaking point for the stock. And I think somebody in the chat room has said that one of the other some stock guru or something like that was saying telling his followers or somebody like that to dump the stock. And this is another reason why I don't play around with these penny stocks and holding them, guys. These are small cap stocks. I have no idea what the news even was on PLT. Did it have news? It probably did, and I didn't pay attention to the alert. I wouldn't be surprised. News alerts help when I see them for me to determine if I'm going to enter in a stock now. I think this was just pure volume, which is why it probably fell off. I think who had asked if it fell off? Who was in the chat room asking if it fell off? Let me see. I forgot. Was it Jason? I can't remember, but man, that thing just dropped. And well, Michael did say that somebody said to dump it, I believe. But anyways, don't matter who said it. But anyways, yeah, guys, this is why you don't love these stocks, man. You get in, you get your money, you get out. Don't be greedy. I hit my target easy, and there was